Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find phone number settings on your account on Roblox. Easy and quick. First click here. Now click settings. Now click account information. And here as you see you'll find phone number. You can change it if you want. You can add your number. And that's it. That's how to find phone number settings on your account on Roblox. Easy and quick. And that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.